Hi friends, you're watching the UFAC channel. Today, I'll show you a selection of 15 incredibly cool things from Amazon. You haven't seen these for sure. Links to all gadgets will be in the description under the video. If you don't want to miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon. The first on our list is a distant relative of the anti-gravitational skateboard from the movie Back to the Future Part 2. When they removed 3 wheels from the good old skateboard and left one large in the center of the board, it turned into this mega cool electric skateboard. It's very simple to drive it by tilting forward and backward or from side to side. Yeah, it doesn't fly like the skateboard from a movie, but it looks much cooler, especially when you go for an evening walk with friends. What do you think this gadget is for? Here's a tip. It will turn you into a big cat with a huge tongue brush. By inserting this device into your mouth and holding it with your teeth, you can lick your cat in the literal sense of the word. Your cat will be happy with such care, and you won't be afraid of fur in your mouth. Your relationship with your cat will move to a real cat level. You'll become closer than ever. Each of us has his own secrets, either small or large, and they need to be carefully stored. For example, in such a wooden box. After all, it is impossible to open it without knowing the secret of this tricky design. The box consists of 3 parts that are tightly adjacent to each other, and to open it you need to do the following. First, get a small bar on the side, then pull out a small element that holds the main secret compartment, and only now you can access all your treasures. And this gadget, after a fascinating process of assembly, turns into a living lizard right before your eyes. Well, almost alive. Into a robot lizard. Just like the real one, it's able to open its hood in case of danger, scare enemies with an open mouth, and even blink its eyes. The lizard is equipped with an infrared sensor and has 2 behavioral programs. The first one is a panic escape, the second one is an attack. And yes, it doesn't bite. Do shoelaces, which constantly come untied as if they live lives of their own, annoy you also? There is a decision. You can buy silicone shoelaces. You do not even need to untie them. You can take off and wear shoes with ease because these laces are very elastic. I think you'll also be pleased with the wide range of colors of these shoelaces. You can experiment with the ways of lacing or just combine different bright colors. Just look how easily and quickly you can solve the problem of tedious lacing. Lego Trucks is a super gift for anyone from 11 to 111 years old. Don't be afraid of the 2,500 details. Once you start, you can't stop. After a full assembly, you can enjoy driving your own truck, though it is a toy. The body of the truck, the engine, stabilizers, everything works for real. What a great training for fingers, isn't it? This mini drone with remote control will easily fit in your pocket. Why do you need such a small quadcopter? The answer is obvious. It's cool. Yes, it can only carry lightweight and small objects, but its main function is entertainment. If you feel bored, take a mini drone out of your pocket and you can hone your skills or fly around the room. Have you been dreaming about a new phone for a long time? Huawei Honor 10 will definitely surprise your friends with its frameless design and cool gradient color. In addition to this spectacular appearance, this smartphone has high performance, 8 cores, CPU frequency of 2400 MHz, dual 16 and 24 megapixel main camera with powerful flash, front camera 24 megapixel, 6 GB of RAM, available to choose from 64 or 128 GB of internal memory, the perfect combination of functionality and super high quality selfies. Follow the link to read more about the Honor 10. It looks like a normal wire, but you should never judge anything by its appearance. In fact, it is a dual device that consists of a micro USB plug and the cord itself is equipped with a magnet. More simply, these 2 parts will instantly connect into a charger when approaching into each other. Now, you don't need to aim even in the full dark. You can quickly and also effectively charge your phone. Now you will learn the most original way to get rid of flies. Fly swatters are in the past. Now you can kill insects sitting quietly on a chair with a gun, and correction, a salt shotgun. The most important thing is that everyone in the kitchen has cartridges for the gun. It's enough to charge the gun with simple salt and you can go on a fun hunt. Surprise your neighbors in the countryside. They just have not seen this. Are you tired of collecting a standard Lego? You want something new? There is a way. A magnetic set. This is a set of small magnetic sticks and non-magnetic metal balls that can be easily assembled into 3-dimensional or flat structures. You take a ball and stick sticks to it. Just like that, alternating balls with sticks, you can create a strong and unusual construction. Working with the set is easy, and it is also not difficult to disassemble your masterpiece. Enable your imagination and go on. Steel wool is next on our list. It consists of metal wires with sharp edges, which are assembled into a sheet. Wires are very thin, and the wool is vaguely reminiscent of a coarse sponge to scrub pots and pans. And what is it for? In fact, if you set it on fire, you will see a real fire rain. For this reason, it's often used in fire shows, because when burning this steel wool looks impressive. And this gadget will definitely be interesting for fans of cycling. The bicycle rearview mirror is attached to the cyclist's hand with a band and allows him to see everything that happens behind him without unnecessary movements. This is not only stylish, but also a necessary gadget for cycling around the city. You need only 10 seconds to attach the gadget, and now you have complete control of the situation on the road. This is a brilliant and simple invention, an extractor for strawberries. With help of this robo-strawberry, you can easily and accurately remove the stems and cores of strawberries. It's simple. Just press the green button, open the knives to the desired size, enter the extractor into the berry, release the button, turn the device, and you get a neat hole quickly and without splashing. All you have to do now is imagine what you want to fill the berry with. Will it be cream or ice cream? You do want strawberries also, don't you? Probably there is not a single person in the world who has boiled milk or cooked pasta on the stove without boiling the liquid away. But he does exist. He is the person who has this lid for a pan, which does not allow the liquid to boil away. And you can also buy it. This is a special cover with pedals that rise up under the action of steam and boiling liquid and open a special hole at the bottom of the lid where the contents of a pan falls. Simply put, the foam will stay in the lid without pouring away on the stove, and it looks very nice, unlike the stains on the stove. Write in the comments what gadget you'd want the most. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.